Good morning to all. Today, 30th May, we have come to the end day of our online summer camp. And I want to thank everybody for the tremendous success of this summer camp. It was unexpected. The enthusiasm and the energy which children showed, it was unexpected. During this lockdown time, the students and parents all came up so well, and our summer camp was really enjoyable. It was really awesome. Thank you very much, children. Thank you very much, parents. So today, the 30th. So I want to thank everybody. Today is the closing ceremony of the camp, and I would like to appreciate or give my regards to all those teachers also, those who made this possible. My teachers also worked hard, and they judged your videos and your activities, and they taught you also so many skills. So the summer camp is really successful because of parents, because of students and because of teachers. So I thank you once again for all. और मेरी एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है, जो भी आर्टिकल्स, ड्राइंग्स भी बहुत सुंदर आपने बनाई है, इतनी अच्छी शेडिंग एंड ऑल, सम आर रियली आर्टिस्ट. डांस, मतलब इतना कुछ किया आपने. योगा, आपने जो दिन अपना स्टार्ट किया योगा से, स्पोर्ट्स, इंडोर स्पोर्ट्स, साइकिलिंग एंड योगा ऑफ डिफरेंट कैटेगरी, जो आपने स्टमक के लिए, एब्स के लिए, हाइट के लिए किया, दैट वाज वेरी गुड. तो योगा करिए. कंसंट्रेशन का योगा भी मैंने सर को रिक्वेस्ट किया था कि ज़रूर दो बच्चों को. यू कैन इंक्रीज योर कंसंट्रेशन, वो जो आपने कैंडल जला के किया है. सो डू ऑल दीज एक्टिविटीज, परफॉर्म देम प्रॉपरली. स्कूल खुलते ही आई एम ईगरली वेटिंग टू मीट यू ऑल, ताकि हम पर्सनली ये सारी एक्टिविटीज़ करें तो और ज़्यादा आपको इन्जॉयमेंट होगा. और आप लोग अब बिल्कुल ट्रेंड हो गए हैं, तो सैटरडेज एक्टिविटीज़ भी आपकी बहुत हद तक हो जाएंगी. सो चिल्ड्रन, ये सारी आर्टिकल्स जो भी आपने बनाए हैं, good out of best out of waste, then your drawings and your articles, then all the things which you have done, तो ये सारे आप वापस लेकर आएंगे जब स्कूल खुलेगा, और इसकी हम एग्जीबिशन लगाएंगे. we will have exhibition of these things, और हम बहुत enjoy करेंगे. I am keeping my finger crossed that you all come soon. I am waiting to meet all of you eagerly. Everything will be fine. So stay very happy, enjoy your holidays, June holidays, do your homework, read newspaper, speak in English. Bye-bye. Thank you. Love you all.
Myself, Khushbu Soni. Thank you DPS Group for grooming my child in such a crucial time period of lockdown. Being a parent, I am very thankful, grateful to send my child in such a lively institution. Day by day, I can see my child improvement by your guidance with the help of summer camp activities. My child learned a lot things in such a creative activities. This camp is really very helpful by such kind of activities like dancing, singing, modeling, cooking, etc. I am very thankful to DPS Group where other children are busy in such mobiles and television, where my child is learning a lot of things with such summer camp. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka. I'm Dhyan's mother. My son is studying in UKG in DPS. As we all are aware of the lockdown due to COVID, and the schools are also closed. But we as parents want our kids to enjoy this time and make best use of it. With initiative of the school authorities, online summer camp was started, and the summer camp was very educative, interesting, filled with lots of creative activities. My entire family enjoyed a lot. At last, I would like to thank Principal Ma'am, all the teachers and staff associated with the summer camp in making learning so much of fun. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Good afternoon, Principal Ma'am, teachers. Amid this lockdown, it was very difficult for the children to understand why we are not allowed to go out, why we aren't playing in the park. We're not going to park. We're not even allowed to go in the lobby. So it was a very this time was very hard time, is a very hard time, and it was really difficult for parents to make them understand that uh, such and such problems are there, and you don't have to go out, and they are having a very boring time, you know, being jam packed in the home. And in this period, and that too they are not going to school also, so it was as it is boring for them. And this period bringing the concept of summer camp was really very helpful. It brought a lot of enthusiasm and interest. It has arisen interest in them, and they are participating. They're taking more of interest, like I have to play with this, you make my video with a balloon, I have to decorate my home, my room, and I have to, you know, they are participating with me in that concept called mom's makeup, cook without fire. I mean, these concept was really very interesting and very new. Especially for us, it was it was really very new, and for him also it was a new concept, and he was very excited doing that. I saw him, you know, improving a lot, because I had to be there with him, instructing him, guiding him. He's too small, he cannot do it all alone. So it was a little bit hard work for the parents, but at the same time I found that we were also taking a lot of interest, and being with them, enjoying with them, involving with their task. And in this way our bond also, you know, it was getting more stronger, and we were connected. So because we don't have so much of time, we are always busy with home chores, and you know, husband busy with their office work. And this way, you know, we all get together, like we had to shoot a video or we have to do something, so we have come together to do all those things. So I think the family bond has you know, increased with this concept. So thanks to I mean, teachers, parents, teachers and principals, sorry. So it was really very nice concept, and it brought a lot of enthusiasm, lot of excitement among parents, teachers, among parents, children. So I was very happy doing all those things and seeing my children improving day by day. And I've been instructing him from day one, and the second day I'm seeing him that he is improving with his speaking skills. He is now catching it more quickly, whatever I'm instructing him. So I can see the improvement also. So it was very good to see the child participating in the task, and participating in those whatever the homeworks, and I mean the things that is been given by the teachers. They are doing it very well, and they are taking interest. They know that they have to do it. They know that their videos are getting loaded on WhatsApp, so they are seeing it, watching it interestingly, so they're showing some interest in that. So it was it was a very motivating for the children also. I hope that you come up with more such good concept, because summer camp idea was it's a very good concept, because it reminds me of my childhood when I had never attended my in my childhood any summer camp, and wanted to do that, but I missed it. And now I know that what I came to know, what all things can happen, and that happens in the camps. So it was really very good to know that these things are happening in summer camp. So it was very exciting to know, and I'm very happy that my child is doing so well, and he's learning so well. I hope you come up with more such concept in future, and that's all. Thank you so much for everything.
Hello all. I would like to thank you all for the wonderful time my son Sufyan from UKG class had during this lockdown. The concept of summer camp from home with parents during COVID-19 pandemic, it was a great idea. My son enjoyed the exciting activities and discussion very much. Finally, I as a parent, thanks again to school management and the teachers for all hard work. Did a great job. Thanks once again.
Hi everyone. Today I just want to say something about the online summer camp. That this summer camp we really enjoyed a lot. Okay, and my daughter is very happy with this experience of doing the new activities daily. And thanks a lot for everything. We both love the camp, the different activities, and this camp is becoming their summer home. We have an amazing feelings and the memories with this camp. I really give the appreciation, the gratefulness, and the regards to each and every member of the school team. The Lavia's experience of this camp is really very unforgettable, and every day she is very much excited to make new videos to participate in an activity. And because the coronavirus has forced the world to reinvent and reimagine, so this online summer camp has become the new thing for. So the main motto of this online summer camp is for all the kids to remain busy learning and having the fun, and so the students should remain the persistent and grab this opportunity to learn something through this virtual activities, classes like yoga, dance, art and craft, and the modeling with the mom, the room decoration, the cook without fire, and many more. So again, I'm very much thankful to all for giving such a amazing online summer camp. Thank you very much.
Principal ma'am, hello teachers and kids. My name is Sheetal and she is my daughter Tanishka, class 2nd.
Hello Principal ma'am, hello teachers, hello friends. This summer camp is very good. I enjoyed it lot. I had lot of fun. इसमें हमने बहुत अच्छी चीजें भी की. Modeling with mom, painting, art and craft, and yoga.
Really, this summer camp was entertaining. Every day there was a new theme like yoga, singing, dance, modeling with mom, which was really nice. और other activities भी daily योगा, डांस, सिंगिंग, ये भी बहुत ही अच्छे थे, जिसको बच्चों ने और हम लोगों ने बहुत ही एंजॉय किया. इससे बच्चों की ग्रुपिंग हो गई, स्टेज डेयरिंग बढ़ गया और इट वाज रियली इंटरेस्टिंग. इसके लिए वी रियली थैंक प्रिंसिपल मैम, ऑल टीचर्स एंड DPS मैनेजमेंट.
Thank you ma'am, thank you all.
Once again, thank you all. We really enjoyed it. Enjoy your vacation. Thank you. Bye.
Enjoy your vacation. Thank you. Bye.
Everyone, my name is Ma. Class what? She is my mother. Summer camp is over. I am very sad. My favorite activity is singing.
And thanks to DPS, given us a lovely moments. अगर ये समर कैंप यहाँ की बजाय ये स्कूल में होता तो शायद हमें ये लवली एक्सपीरियंस कभी नहीं मिलते. जहाँ ये समर कैंप ख़त्म होने के बाद रिलैक्स फील हो रहा है, वहीं उससे कहीं दुगना ज़्यादा दुख भी हो रहा है कि अब ये सारी एक्टिविटीज़ नहीं देखने को मिलेंगी. बच्चों की स्वीटेस्ट वॉइस जो सुबह सुबह FP पे सुनने को मिलती है, अब वो सुनने को नहीं मिलेंगी. सारे पल बहुत ही याद आएंगे. पल याद आएंगे, ये पल पल ये है प्यार के पल. कल मिल जाए तो होगी खुश नसीबी. हम रहे या ना रहे, याद आएंगे ये पल. सो इन लवली पलों को देने के लिए थैंक्स टू DPS एंड डियर रेस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल मैम, ऑल द टीचर्स. सबका बहुत बहुत सपोर्ट रहा. आगे भी हमें भी समर कैंप में सहभागिता दिलवाएं. Thank you.
My name is Kanishka Singh from class 2nd B. My school DPS Badmer organized summer camp from 21st May to 30 May. I participated many activities like yoga, dance, singing, and art and craft, fancy dress, and much more. But especially in modeling with mom, we both had a lot of fun. I have a message for you all from my dad.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ranveer Singh. My daughter, she is class 2nd, Kanishka Singh. I really very thankful to Team DPS and especially Principal Ma'am Mamba Makkad. She is doing a very great job for our children. और मैं बहुत खुशी मिली कि इन्होंने इतना अच्छा कदम उठाया, बच्चों को शार्प किया, उनकी स्किल को बाहर लेके आए. एक्चुअली मैं क्या अपने बच्चों से भी काफ़ी दूर आए, मैं कहीं ड्यूटी पे हूँ, तो मैं फेसबुक के माध्यम से अपने बच्चों को डेली देखता हूँ. आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी with these activities of lots of activities. So thanks Team DPS and especially ma'am. Jai Hind.
Thanks DPS. I have learned a lot and enjoyed very well. Thank you. My name is Nitya Chaudhary, class 1st. She is my mother. मुझे कैंप ज्वाइन में बहुत अच्छा लगा और मुझे न्यू पेंटिंग सीखने को मिली.
Hello everyone, this is my daughter's first summer camp experience and honestly I'm not sure she was ready to camp. She loves her. I never saw her excited. She's never stopped talking about all the day's activities. You can do yoga, exercise, painting, dancing, singing, all our activities. All of you teachers and respected principal gave so much appreciation to Nitya. Nitya got to learn a lot of new things. I also enjoyed the camp with Nitya. Again, thank you, respected principal ma'am, Titi Joshi ma'am, and all DPS family for lovely moments. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon everyone. I am mother of Divya Pratham of class UKG. Say hi.
Hi.
I want to thank the principal, all the teachers and all the staff of DPS Barmer. In this situation of pandemic, you people are doing tremendous job and hard work. So thanks a lot. My child loves the online summer camp classes very much. In fact, I am also very happy because he is learning a lot of new things through video. Thank you so much.
Hello DPS. I'm Survi Prasad, mother of Parth Prasad, LKG. I'm here. I want to thank DPS management for creating this beautiful summer camp event. This type of beautiful creativity create a chance of new learning, enjoyment, fun, etc. We are very happy to be a part of this event. Thank you so much. Be safe.
Good morning everyone. My name is Dia Bijue. I study in class 2nd. I want to thank my principal ma'am and all teachers for lovely summer camp. I enjoyed dancing, singing, drawing, yoga, makeup my mom, and modeling. Thank you, DPS.
I really want to thank the entire staff of DPS family and especially our beloved principal ma'am for organizing such an awesome summer camp. It's no doubt that the summer camp has turned out to be a huge success. The most important part of the summer camp was that it not only engaged the kids but also their parents, and especially it has brought me and my daughter very close to each other, and that's why thank you so much DPS for all those lovely activities and the videos that we made. And at the end, I would just like to once again say kudos to the entire DPS team, DPS family, and the thing that comes in my mind is 3 cheers for DPS. Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hello everyone, I am Yatish Bhardwaj. I am Yuvan and Parikshit's father. It was a great idea of Principal Madam to conduct an online summer camp. As you already know that we all are in a very new world within a very short span of time due to this COVID-19 situation. So at this stage, DPS have come out with online summer camp, and as the Principal Madam had said in her inaugural speech, that the participation of the kids in the activities will definitely impact on their personalities, and various activities have been conducted by DPS during this summer camp, such as modeling with mom, room decoration, cook without fire, fancy dress, etc. And definitely, ma'am, after this summer camp, I found that my children are more responsible and listen our words especially more. So this is the benefit which I had noticed within 7 to 8 days. So Parikshit and Yuvan, how you feel about summer camp? Good! And Kavita, you want to add something?
कैंप सफल रहा। मेरे बच्चों ने बहुत कुछ सीखा। मैं प्रिंसिपल मैडम और शिक्षकों को विशेष रूप से पीटी मैडम और नीलमान मैडम को इस कैंप को सफल बनाने के प्रयासों के लिए धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
इस समर कैंप से इसमें बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस आया है और बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़, बहुत ही अच्छी क्रिएटिविटी भी इसमें दिखाई गई है। और सूर्य नमस्कार, जो आज के बच्चों को ज़्यादातर पता नहीं रहता है कि सूर्य नमस्कार क्या चीज़ है, सिर्फ हमने सुना है लेकिन इन्होंने किया है। इसको सारा सूर्य नमस्कार आता है और ये बहुत अच्छे से इसने किया है सारा कुछ। मुझे नहीं लगता था ये कभी सूर्य नमस्कार कभी कोई चीज़ सीख पाएगा, लेकिन इसने बहुत अच्छा सीखा है। इसने इसको क्रिएटिव क्राफ्ट में भी अच्छा इसने काम, आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट में भी इसने बहुत अच्छा काम करने के लिए मतलब इसकी जिज्ञासा जागी है। और कलरिंग में भी इसका हाथ थोड़ा साफ हुआ है और पोएम में भी, डांसिंग में भी बहुत अच्छा इसने काम किया है। इसको बहुत आगे इसको करने का भी लगन है और बहुत अच्छा डीपीएस का मैं धन्यवाद करूंगा। इन्होंने घर बैठे बच्चों को टाइम अच्छा स्पेंड करवाया, उनको एक इस काम में लगाए रखा पढ़ाई के साथ में। थैंक यू वेरी मच डीपीएस, थैंक यू।
हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज तन्वी सिंह फ्रॉम एलकेजी। मुझे समर कैंप में बहुत मजा आया। मैंने मम्मा के साथ मॉडलिंग की, सिंगिंग की, उमंग की मैन भी बनी,
डांस भी किया, बहुत मजा आया,
बहुत मजा आया,
सीखने को मिला,
बहुत सीखने को मिला। लॉकडाउन में बोरी हो गई थी। मुझे समर कैंप में बहुत मजा आया।
मैम,
थैंक यू मैम
फॉर दिस समर कैंप।
डीपीएस आपको नहीं बोलना है।
हाँ, आप बोलो।
थैंक यू डीपीएस, थैंक यू मैम,
थैंक्स टू ऑल,
थैंक यू ऑल।
Good morning, I am Rajvardhan Singh from class 6th A DPS Barni. Last 10 days I enjoyed summer camp with my family. All activity of summer camp is super fun, interesting and educational. This was the best summer camp. Thank you so much Principal Ma'am and teachers whom organized summer camp in holidays.
Good morning to all. I am Rekha, mother of Rajvardhan. First of all, thank you so much Director Sir, Principal Ma'am and all staff of DPS बाड़मेर जिन्होंने समर हॉलीडेज़ में ये समर कैंप ऑर्गेनाइज किया। इस समर कैंप में लास्ट 10 डेज बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ हुई। इन एक्टिविटीज़ में जैसे बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट, फैंसी ड्रेस, न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग, कुक विदाउट फायर, बहुत सारी ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ हुई जिसमें बच्चों ने बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग से पार्टिसिपेट किया। इस एक्टिविटीज़ से बच्चों में जो हेजिटेशन है वो कम हुआ और बच्चे का जो हिडन टैलेंट था वो खुलकर सामने आया। अगेन मेरे और मेरे परिवार की तरफ से थैंक यू सो मच।
नमस्ते, मैं प्रियांशी, क्लास 4th। आज मेरे मम्मी पापा आपसे पिछले 10 दिनों के ऑनलाइन समर कैंप के बारे में कुछ एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेंगे। ये मेरे पापा हैं मिस्टर अरविंद कुमार शारदा, ये मेरी मम्मा है मिसेस वैशाली शारदा।
नमस्ते, मेरी गुड़िया डीपीएस स्कूल में पढ़ रही है। उसको स्कूल की बहुत याद आ रही थी पिछले दिनों में, जैसे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रहे थे स्कूल के, उसी हिसाब से बच्चे बहुत स्कूल को मिस कर रहे हैं, स्कूल की एक्टिविटी को। उसी हिसाब से देखते हुए मैम ने 10 दिन का ऑनलाइन समर कैंप रखा था। मेरी बेटी उसमें हर एक्टिविटी में उसने पार्ट लिया है, वो अच्छे से कर रही है, उसको बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा भी आ रहा है। स्कूल वाले भी अच्छा सा बोल रहे हैं, हम लोग पेरेंट्स भी उसमें काफ़ी इन्वॉल्व हो रहे हैं। हमको भी अच्छा लग रहा है कि हमारे बच्चे कुछ नया सीख रहे हैं, कुछ नया करने को मिल रहा है। इसी बहाने हमने पेरेंट्स को भी, हमको भी कुछ नया सीखने की, कुछ करने की उम्मीदें आ रही है। थैंक यू।
नमस्ते। लॉकडाउन के इस दरमियान जो बच्चों का कनेक्शन एक स्कूल से थोड़ा सा कट हो गया था, वो इस 10 दिन के समर कैंप के माध्यम से वापस स्कूल के टीचर से, स्कूल के दोस्तों से वगैरह से स्कूल से वापस जुड़ गए हैं। और थैंक्स फॉर दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल बाड़मेर, जो 10 दिन समर कैंप आपने जो ऑर्गेनाइज किया, उसके लिए हम आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देते हैं और हम भी खुश हैं।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
Good morning. I am Chora Sharma of class 6. I would like to thank all my teachers and principal ma'am for conducting online summer camp. I thoroughly enjoyed this summer camp. I participated in most of the activities and got motivated by my teachers. I have learned simple yoga asanas, dance, art and craft and many more things. This has surely boosted my confidence level.
Good morning all. I am here to give special vote of thanks to the principal ma'am as well as to the whole team who thought of such a wonderful idea and keeping and making the students busy during this lockdown period. Personally, from the mother's point of view, I would like to thank for the activities like Mom's Makeup and Modeling with Mom, wherein the mothers also got the opportunity to showcase their hidden talent. Thanks a lot to the DPS and the whole team of DPS for putting in so much efforts. Thanking you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rayan Jain. I study in first grade. Today is the last day of summer camp. So I want to thank you for teachers and principal ma'am.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I have learned so many things.
Yes, you enjoyed a lot.
Yes.
Hi, I am Riyan's mother. First of all, I would like to congratulate the whole DPS family for the huge success of the summer camp. Thank you for giving us the opportunity in which everyone of our family has been involved to participate in the events that you have given. Of course, the activities were for their mothers, but yeah, you should not forget the important role that the fathers have played in these events. They were the cameramen. Now also he is holding the camera and recording the video and directing us and what to do and what not to do. Every morning he wake up and he rush to me asking, "Mama, आज कौन सी activity है? आज क्या event दिया है?" He was such an enthusiastic performer and he always wanted to perform each and every activity. So it was a great initiative taken by the DPS family and kudos to you all. Good job. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening, respected teachers. This is A.S.V. Kaushal from class 6, DPS Barmer. I am sharing my experience on summer camp. It is my second summer camp and I enjoyed it well. In my first summer camp, I don't know anything like skating, swimming, etc. But I learned all things. I enjoyed second summer camp than first summer camp because of the new activities like helping mom, cooking, etc. I enjoyed it very well. Not me, all the school will enjoy the summer camp. Thank you for this summer camp. Now my mother will say something about the summer camp.
Hello everyone, I'm Vizya. I'm sharing my feelings about the summer camp. Actually, in this corona time, kids were feeling very bored. But this summer camp, as it has enjoyed our child, entertained our child in this corona time. My son, this summer camp has helped him improve in many ways. He learned, he tried his level best in every task. He learned a lot during this summer camp. He has enjoyed participating in these different types of activities and competitions. I'm very satisfied for this summer camp. My heartfully thanks to your respective principal ma'am and all the members of DPS team for this summer camp. Thank you.
I am Krishna for class LKG. My name is Krishna Sarswat. I am studying from class 4th.
I am Seema Sarswat. I am mother of Lakshya and Krishna.
मुझे समय पर बहुत अच्छा लगा। ये शिस्त बहुत अच्छी लगती है। मुझे पढ़ना और लिखना अच्छा लगता है। मुझे समर कैंप बहुत अच्छा लगा। मुझे सारी एक्टिविटीज अच्छी लगी और जो मैंने कल रूम डेकोरेशन किया वो भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। इससे मेरे को जो बहुत कुछ नया सीखने को मिला। मुझे समर कैंप में बहुत मजा आया।
समर कैंप की एक्टिविटी बहुत अच्छी लगी। इससे बच्चों को कुछ नया सीखने को मिला। बच्चों में स्कूल जाने की नई उमंग जाग उठी। समर कैंप की एक्टिविटी से बच्चों का माइंड इनोवेटिव हुआ है। ऑल थैंक्स टू डीपीएस स्कूल एंड टीचर्स हमारे बच्चों का अच्छा भविष्य बनाने के लिए।
थैंक यू। थैंक यू। Good morning all of you. My name is Vidhanusa, studying class 3rd week. Today I want to thank you principal ma'am and teachers for the wonderful activities. Thank you.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Myself Sharmila. First of all, I want to say one thing, that today I feel very proud and happy because my both children Vidhan and Vedant are DPNs. Now I want to give a big thank you to the principal ma'am and all staff members of DPS because they give us a big opportunity to join summer camp and take part in lots of activities. And definitely we enjoyed all fun-loving and interesting activities with our kids. Once again, we get a chance to memorize our childhood days with our kids. And of course, it's all happened because of you guys, the whole team of DPS. And for these efforts, you all deserve a big thumbs up and lots of clapping for that. At last but not least, thank you once again for your excellent and tight efforts. Thank you.
जैसे आँखों की डिबिया में निंदिया और निंदिया में मीठा सा सपना और सपने में मिल जाए फरिश्ता सा कोई जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी जैसे तितलियां फूलों की क्यारी जैसे बिना मतलब का प्यारा रिश्ता हो कोई ये तो आशा की लहर है ये तो उम्मीद की सहर है खुशियों की लहर है खो न जाए ये तारे जमीन पर
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Abhikatan.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am and all teachers.
myself Madhu Katal, mother of Avi Katal. He studied in class LKG in DPS Badmer. Summer camp which was organized by DPS Badmer. It is very useful for my kid and also for me to learning something new. They learning different activity for their health and creativity in their life. I am very thankful to the staff of DPS school for creating online classes as well as summer camp. Due to COVID-19, they organized it very well online. So be careful about your health to all children, parents and staff of school. Thank you all. Namaste.
हेलो, आई एम रियांश। आई स्टडी इन क्लास 3। मैं अपने प्रिंसिपल मैम, टीचर्स और डीपीएस स्कूल को थैंक्स कहना चाहता हूँ, जिनके कारण मैं घर बैठे ही पढ़ाई कर पाया और साथ ही साथ समर कैंप ऑर्गेनाइज करके स्कूल ने हमें घर बैठे ही बहुत मस्ती करवाई। पापा मम्मी के साथ मिलकर बहुत सी एक्टिविटीज करने को मिली, जैसे मेरा रूम डेकोरेट किया, मम्मी का मेकअप किया, योगा, आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट। लिस्ट बहुत लंबी है। देखो समर कैंप में मैंने क्या क्या किया, क्या क्या बनाया। फिर भी बहुत सी एक्टिविटीज ऐसी हैं जो हम घर पर बैठ के नहीं कर पाते, जैसे प्रेयर, क्लासरूम स्टडी, म्यूजिक क्लास, स्विमिंग और स्केटिंग। बस मैं भगवान से यही प्रेयर करना चाहता हूँ कि कोरोना डिजीज जल्द ही खत्म हो जाए, सबकी लाइफ पहले की तरह नॉर्मल हो जाए और हम सब फिर से स्कूल जा पाए। थैंक यू।
थैंक्स टू डीपीएस स्कूल, स्पेशली टीचर्स जो घर पर रहकर भी मोबाइल के माध्यम से अपने बच्चों के साथ बने रहे, उन्हें बहुत अच्छे से स्टडीज करवाई और समर कैंप ऑर्गेनाइज करके बहुत सी फन एक्टिविटीज भी करवाई। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
A very warm good morning to one and all. I am Gauri from class 10th, Delhi Public School, Barmer. So, as we all know that today the world has been suffering from a crucial pandemic disease called COVID-19. Due to this virus, we all have been locked in our houses. The schools are being closed. In this crucial and tough state, my school took initiative to organize online summer camp. For this, I would really like to thank our respected principal, Mrs. Mamta ma'am, who came up with the idea and initiated it. Abhishek sir, who used to daily feed us with videos of Om chant, Surya Namaskar, exercises for increasing height and even for abdomens. Thank you, sir. Tushar sir, who used to teach us dance, easy and comfortable moves just by sitting at home. Thank you, sir. And Anita ma'am, of course, who used to teach us how to transfer a waste plastic bottle into a beautiful can or a beautiful pen stand. Thank you, ma'am. At the end, I would like to thank my entire school for organizing Summer Camp 2020, and it really overcomes our COVID pandemic stress. Stay happy, stay safe.
Hello everyone, I am Avni Kang from class 10. As we all know, from past few days we all are having online summer camp. The benefit of camp are plenty from life lessons beyond the classroom, and the value of playtime to appreciate nature by building confidence and leadership skills. But this time we all are fighting against COVID-19 by staying at home. By observing this issue, our school had organized online summer camp for us, which was very amazing and we enjoyed a lot. In this summer camp, we have lots of activities such as yoga, dance, cooking with mama, and creativity with bottles, painting, and many more. Starting our day with yoga is much better for our body fitness as well as for mind refreshment. In this quarantine, we have improved our dancing skills and learned lots of new steps. At last, I would like to thank respected Mr. Kareeb sir and Principal ma'am and the whole staff which has organized such a wonderful camp. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Good morning, teacher and friends. My name is Ayaj. I am from Sakhi. Today I will tell you about my summer camp. My summer camp was very good. I like it very much. I learned to do many new things like yoga, dance, English translation, and spoken. I learned art and craft. I am more confident now. I enjoy my lockdown time at home. Thank you all teachers who supports me. Thank you my school principal ma'am who organized online summer camp. Thank you to all of you. Thank you. Have a great day. Teachers and my dear friends, my name is Rashida. I study in second class. My school organized online summer camp. It used to do yoga, dance and craft in camp. It's very much fun. I love it. Let's participate actively. Thank you, Jai Hind. My name is Tanvi Singh from LKG. बहुत मजा आया। मंकी मैम ने बहुत हेल्प करी मेरी। मंकी मैडम के लिए मैंने कार्ड बनाए दिखाऊं? ये देखो। थैंक यू मैम।
गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल प्रिंसिपल मैम एंड लवली टीचर्स। बच्चों के साथ साथ हमने भी बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय किया और आपकी कोऑर्डिनेटर मैडम जीनिया मैम उन्होंने तो हमारा बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट किया, हमें बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प की, तो उनका बहुत बहुत थैंक यू और पूरी टीम को बहुत बहुत थैंक यू। इसी तरीके से समर कैंप और या इसके अलावा और भी अदर एक्टिविटीज़ और भी करवाते रहे। वंस अगेन थैंक यू।
Before I start giving my feedback on summer camp, first of all, I would like to thank my honorable principal ma'am and teacher for their support, through which we learned lots of things like yoga, art and craft, mehndi competition, fancy dress competition, singing competition, make food without fire and many more. Due to this summer camp, I would like my confidence level increase. It will help in my life. Friends, I would like to say that stay safe, stay home and follow instruction of government. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my all dear friends. My name is Navya Namiwal from class 3rd B. Enjoying summer activities at home was a very good experience. It was amazing. As our parents were with us, not only we, our parents also learning new things. Yoga. The day starts with yoga. It maintained our health and dance with my mother. Room decoration teach us how to decorate the room. As we children throw things here and there in the room, which makes problem for our parents. Fancy dress activity helps me to feeling of our rich culture. I really enjoy Rajasthani dress and jewelry. And in the last, I want to thank the principal ma'am and my all dear teachers who make us such wonderful summer camp. And their appreciation was very good. I will always remember this summer camp. Thank you.
My name is Khyati Bansal. I enjoy very much in summer camp. Daily I excited about what to take come. I do yoga with my family members. I participate daily competition and daily activity doll to make doll picture. I knew this new and very good express. I thank my all school members.
I also thanks the all DPS members for my new experience. When I do activity, I help in my child in activity. I also become a child teacher and a friend. And thank you for utilize the time of the all childs. Thank you very much.
Hi friends, my name is Rita Khandelwal. I study in 4th class. इस कोरोना की वजह से लॉकडाउन चल रहा है और हम घर पे बोर हो गए हैं और हमारी टीचर्स ने सोचा कि हम समर कैंप करें। तो इस बार हमारे ऑनलाइन समर कैंप हुआ और हम बहुत खुश हुए और जैसे ही स्टार्ट हुआ हम बहुत एक्साइटमेंट में थे। हमने इस समर कैंप में पेंटिंग सीखी, योगा सीखा, आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट सीखा।
बच्चे लोगों का स्किल बहुत अच्छा डेवलप हो गया। बच्चे बहुत हैप्पी हुए, बहुत एंजॉय किया। थैंक यू
for this summer camp.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Devya Mali from class 8 in Delhi Public School, Barber. No matter that we all are far from each other, even in this situation because of our principal ma'am, Mrs. Mamta Makkar, and our DPS teachers, we met each other through this online summer camp. This is only because of their hard work. This is a great experience of online summer camp. This is not easy to do. Our teachers made it successful. It is amazing to see the maximum students and parents are having great time with their online camp experiences. Actually, camp is very important and good for students. It offers an opportunity for children to grow. Camp is another venue for growth, allowing students to become independent, self-confident, socializing, and even learning new skills. So, I thank you to all teachers who gave us this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, this is Mikul Chitara. I am from DPS Barmer. I am very much happy to join online summer camp conducted by Mamta Makkar ma'am. I have learned many new things from this camp like stone art, art and craft, working with electronics, craft from paper, waste out of waste, room decoration, cook without fire, yoga, poster making and many more activities. This lesson is so valuable and I also learned a lot from them. Thank you DPS.
Everyone, my name is Manasa First. I am singing the song My Ma'am. Teacher, so good inside me, take hand and guide me your way. Thank you for Lord, thank you for Lord, thank you for Lord. Thank you, ma'am, for everything. Love you.